Magnesium, it's not just some random mineral, it's crucial for over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, keeping your muscles firing, nerves talking, and blood sugar stable. Magnesium is the silent operator behind the scenes. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of magnesium. We'll uncover 8 signs of deficiency that might surprise you, plus 9 delicious foods to boost your magnesium levels. Stay tuned. Alright, let's talk magnesium. This mineral, it's a workhorse, involved in over 300 biochemical reactions, muscle and nerve function, key for muscle contractions and nerve transmissions. Those annoying muscle cramps could be a magnesium issue. Regulates blood sugar, preventing type 2 diabetes, also helps regulate blood pressure. Ever get those pesky eye twitches? Or maybe you're no stranger to painful leg cramps in the middle of the night. Well, listen up, because a magnesium deficiency could be the culprit. When your levels are low, your muscles can become overly excited, leading to those involuntary contractions we know as twitches and cramps. So if you're constantly battling these muscle spasms, it might be time to check your magnesium levels. We all have our ups and downs, but if you're constantly battling feelings of anxiety, low mood, or even depression, a magnesium deficiency could be playing a role. You see, magnesium plays a crucial role in brain function and mood regulation. Studies have shown a link between low magnesium levels and an increased risk of depression. So, if you're struggling with your mental health, don't overlook the power of magnesium. Strong bones are crucial for overall health, but did you know that magnesium plays a vital role in bone health? That's right, this mighty mineral is essential for calcium absorption and bone formation. When magnesium levels are low, our bodies can't utilize calcium effectively, leading to weaker bones and an increased risk of osteoporosis. So make sure you're getting enough magnesium to keep your bones strong and healthy for years to come. Feeling constantly exhausted, like you can barely drag yourself through the day? Before you reach for another cup of coffee, consider this. You might be magnesium deficient. Magnesium plays a critical role in energy production. It helps convert food into usable energy for our cells. Low magnesium levels make it hard to produce energy, leaving you tired. Feeling drained? Get your magnesium levels checked. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a serious condition that affects millions of people. And guess what? Magnesium plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. Magnesium helps relax the blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. When magnesium levels are low, blood vessels can constrict, leading to increased blood pressure. In fact, some studies suggest that magnesium supplementation can help lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. For those with asthma, managing symptoms is a daily battle. Did you know magnesium might be a powerful ally? Magnesium helps relax airway muscles, making breathing easier. Low magnesium levels can inflame and constrict airways, triggering asthma symptoms. Studies show magnesium can improve lung function and reduce asthma symptoms. Our heart beats constantly, keeping us alive. And guess what mineral plays a crucial role in maintaining a regular heartbeat? Magnesium. Magnesium regulates the heart's electrical activity, ensuring it beats steadily. Low magnesium can disrupt these signals, causing arrhythmias. Maintaining healthy magnesium levels is essential for heart health. Nausea and vomiting are never fun, and they can be signs of various issues. Magnesium deficiency could be one of them. Magnesium regulates muscle contractions in the digestive tract, helping move food through the system. Low magnesium levels cause irregular contractions, leading to nausea and other discomforts. Discuss magnesium levels with your doctor. Good news, chocolate lovers. Indulging in a bit of dark chocolate can actually be good for you, especially when it comes to boosting your magnesium intake. Dark chocolate, particularly the kind with a high cacao content, 70% or higher, is a surprisingly good source of magnesium. Just a small square can provide a significant chunk of your daily magnesium needs. But remember, moderation is key. Avocados are having a moment, and for good reason. These creamy green fruits are nutritional powerhouses, packed with healthy fats, fiber, and yes, you guessed it, magnesium. Spread some on toast, toss them in salads, or blend them into a delicious smoothie. Looking for a convenient and satisfying snack that's also a good source of magnesium? Look no further than nuts. Almonds, cashews, and Brazil nuts are all particularly high in magnesium. Just a handful a day can help you reach your daily magnesium requirements. Don't underestimate the power of legumes. These tiny nutritional powerhouses, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are packed with magnesium. Black beans in particular are magnesium superstars. Just 1 cup cooked provides a significant portion of your daily needs. Incorporate legumes into your diet by adding them to soups, stews, salads, or even veggie burgers. Calling all plant-based eaters. Tofu, a soy-based product, is not only a great source of protein but also a good source of magnesium. Just half a cup of tofu provides a decent amount of your daily needs, and the best part is, tofu is incredibly versatile. You can use it in stir-fries, scrambles, or even blend it into smoothies for a protein and magnesium boost. Don't overlook the tiny but mighty seeds. Pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all excellent sources of magnesium. Just a tablespoon or two of these nutritional powerhouses can provide a significant portion of your daily needs. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for an extra boost of magnesium and other essential nutrients. When it comes to grains, choose whole grains whenever possible. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are not only good sources of fiber, but also contain magnesium. Make sure to choose whole grain versions of bread, pasta, and cereals to maximize your magnesium intake. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are well known for their omega-3 fatty acid content, but did you know they're also good sources of magnesium? We all know bananas are packed with potassium, but they also contain a decent amount of magnesium. One medium-sized banana provides a small but significant amount of your daily needs. Enjoy a banana as a snack, add it to smoothies, or slice it over yogurt or oatmeal for a magnesium boost. So there you have it, folks. Magnesium is essential for a healthy body and mind. From regulating muscle function and blood sugar to supporting bone health and mood, this mighty mineral does it all. Incorporate magnesium-rich foods into your diet to boost your intake naturally. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on living your healthiest life. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video. And if you want to lower your blood pressure naturally, watch the video on your screen next.